Well, hi. Welcome to the weekend. I'm just reflecting on another incredible week. I'm just relaxing with my favorite bottle of cider and just thinking what I've done in 18 months, not because I'm special, not because I'm clever. I just followed a framework that was provided by LaunchU through the Modern Wealthy that you've seen, and the core curriculum, a thing called LaunchPad. Let me give you a bit of history. LaunchU used to run face-to-face seminars to teach, train people how to build a business online, and how powerful that was to have that connection with people. Then COVID hit. The business completely stopped, obviously. And so they had to relaunch in the online space, and they created an online training program and mentoring. So you still got face-to-face help from people. And I started that LaunchPad, that first version of LaunchPad 18 months ago. And through that, I've built a phenomenal business. Yesterday, they launched version 2.0. I wish I'd had that 18 months ago. It is absolutely brilliant. I've had a quick look at what's in there. It's connected with all of the latest tools, the AI tools to help and assist. AI is a fantastic servant, but not a good master. So we use it to absolute best effect. But the framework of teaching and experiential learning, it is fantastic. I don't think there's anything else quite out there in terms of a step-by-step framework that would take somebody from no online experience or knowledge to be able to build a highly successful online business around something you love, something you're passionate about. Not getting on board selling products you hate or a system or a training you don't like. It's finding that niche that you love, that you're proud to promote. And the LaunchPad curriculum will take you to put an online presence in place that's phenomenal. I just did that. My story, those who know me, 18 months ago, I jumped in, I invested in the group coaching and the one-on-one mentoring, and I committed to myself to do something every single day for a year and see where it took me. Well, doing that, with that approach, I was able to launch my very first business inside 1 month. In fact, on day 28, I launched my first YouTube campaign, and I made my very first online sale 8 days after that, $37. Stuart says your most difficult sale is your first, and your most difficult $1,000 will be your first $1,000. Well, I'm really happy to say I made my first sale in month one, and I turned over my first $1,000 in month one. Because I'm brilliant? No, because I followed that framework, that step-by-step framework. Jump forward a year, and I said to myself, I desperately wanted to replace my failed 40-year plan. You know, I'm a business owner. I have made good money through my railway consultancy business, yet I've not managed to put enough aside to retire with a lifestyle that I long for and that I want to give to my wife. And with grandchildren coming, to have the time freedom to do everything we want to do. Yet, here I am, tied to my traditional business. That was until I started to grow my online business. And I'd set the goal that I wanted in the last 3 months of that year of doing something every single day, that I would turn over in excess of $10,000 per month, which was therefore a commission of around $5,000 every single month of the last 3, and I achieved that. And then moving into 2025, January, February, March, my best ever months, where I turned that turnover trebled to over $30,000 a month. It's been absolutely phenomenal. How did I do it? I don't know. I just followed the framework. And that's what I'm so excited about. LaunchPad 2.0 is an upgrade. It really is a massive upgrade. It's an experiential learning process, on hand, a digital assistant and everything that you need, as well as the access to group coaching and mentors if you choose to follow that. And I know that if you made the decision today to jump into the modern wealthy world and jump onto that core curriculum LaunchPad, a year from now, you could have turned upside down your financial future. You really could. And we're not talking about get rich quick. There's some hard work involved. You know, I followed it diligently, still running my railway business. It wasn't full time, but I said, do an hour a day, learn what I need to learn. And I believe anybody with that drive, that determination, could completely turn upside down their financial future inside 1 year. And I challenge you, take a look, jump in. The Modern Wealthy, the introductory offer, $37. You can take a look. If you don't like what you see, you can get your money back and you can keep access to all of the training forever. The 7-figure Fast Start series, affiliate marketing series, e-commerce series, access to a Facebook group of over 10,000. Incredible. And you keep it all. If you like it and you want to jump onto LaunchPad, that's like $997 all in, and you can then move through that curriculum. It's phenomenal. It'll teach you everything you need to know to take you from zero to prepare, launch, and grow your own highly successful online business. And it's in something that the core thing that Stuart teaches is find something you love, find that niche that you resonate with, that you are proud of, that you love. You might already have an idea, you might already have training, or you may be an instructor of some sort, and you can put that in the online space. Or if you've got no idea, you could be like me and become an affiliate of LaunchU, jump on a tried and tested system, business that's ready to run. It's absolutely brilliant. There's no one route, there's a route that suits you best. And LaunchU are committed to helping you find your solution and being successful online. I just last month took my whole family, including grandchildren, on a cruise to celebrate my success and my 60th birthday later this summer through the proceeds of my online business. That was my dream a year ago, to do that, and we did it just last month. So I'm now so excited about actually turning 60 in August, because I've now put in place my retirement freedom, which 18 months ago had just disappeared. I thought I'd lost forever. So I invite you onto this exciting journey. There's never been a better moment to join the Modern Wealthy community, because LaunchPad 2.0 launched last night and is available to you. The best framework, I believe, out there in the online world. If you can find something better, show it to me, because this is experiential learning with people, support, real people who've made success. It's absolutely brilliant. You can tell I'm excited, because I am, because it's going to propel my business into my sort of phase 2, if you like, to move forward and surge forward, because it's the best learning I've seen. Fantastic. So jump in. If you don't like LaunchPad, again, you've got 30 days to have a look. If you don't like it, get all your money back. You can even do it as a monthly subscription, like $100 a month. But it's utterly priceless. It's my son's at university spending £10,000 a year on his tuition fees with no guarantee of success. And yet for less than $1,000, you can have a curriculum that will teach you everything you need to prepare, launch, and grow an online business. It's fantastic. Jump in. You can't go wrong if you follow step by step, like I've done. I'm nothing special. I just followed it diligently. Catching up with my words. I am excited, and I invite you into this space. I'm here to help people who want help, and I'm happy to commit to helping people on that journey. So jump in, and I'll see you there.